Hi, this is Vizi Broadway channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share archive story on Instagram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. When you post an Instagram story, it's visible to others for only 24 hours. After which it disappears from your main feed, but it's not lost and gone forever. Instagram stories are actually saved to a private part of your profile, and you can go back and view or reshare them at any time. And how to do it? If you want to reshare your story, your old story, your archive story, it's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just open your profile, tap on your profile. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can go to the archive section, tap on the archive. You can choose on story archive. Now you can choose on the story that you want to reshare. For example, we choose this one. And you can find there is an option share on here. You can just tap on that. Here you can see the date. You can remove the date if you want to remove it, like this. Now you can just share it to your story. So it will turn out like this. It's so simple, right? So that is how to reshare your archive story on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!